Is the Father higher or Jesus higher, or they're the same?
It's one God.
One God. Okay. So when Jesus says in 17:3, and this is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ whom you have sent.
Yeah.
So the only true God sent Jesus.
Yes.
So how could he be God if he's being sent by God?
Yeah.
And this is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God. He separated himself from that. He's saying you. He's not saying us.
Right.
He's not saying me. Okay, good. And Jesus Christ whom you have sent.
Yes.
So that means God sent Jesus.
Yes.
God can't send himself. Otherwise, he would say, I sent myself. If God and Jesus are separate, then God sent Jesus, then they're not one.
Can I show you? Can I show you?
Please, go ahead.
Is it in Mark or is it in John?
See, like for example, let's read this because you're here. I am going to the Father, for the Father is greater than I.
Yes.
The Father is greater than I. These are two entities.
Agreed.
Okay, good.
Agreed.
So Jesus is not God then, right?
Hold on. Let me answer that.
Okay.
It is because he is a man, right?
Okay.
So he's not God.
No. Here, he's flesh and blood, right? So he's saying to his disciples that when I leave you,
Okay.
which is after his resurrection,
All
right? He's going to the Father.
Okay, so the Father is separate, Jesus is separate, and Jesus is going to the Father.
Yes.
It's not the Father going to the Father, right? No.
Yes.
Okay. So that it's from the Bible.
Yes.
So that means they're not one. Because if one is going to the other, they're not one.